It's not about Amazon.com anymore and tabs and pulling information and clicking in desktop or your location not being known or Windows or Mac or self-integrating, installing your own apps like we used to have to do with the CD-ROMs. Remember that? No. We've changed. And the change is we've moved from Cloud 1 in the year 2000 when we started Salesforce. And in the year 2010, it's about Facebook and feeds and push. Technology is pushing at me. And I'm touching my computers. I'm not clicking on my mouse. I'm touching these things. And in some cases, I'm not even touching them anymore. Like if you've seen, this new product, Connect, is amazing. And my location is aware. It's Android, it's iOS, is the new operating systems, and there's integrated marketplaces. And in our industry, people are always overestimating what you can do in a year. People are always overestimating what you can do in a year. And in our industry, they're always underestimating what can happen in a decade. And in a decade, our whole world has changed. And I wanted to emphasize this, and I asked our marketing guys, you know what? We've got to show that this has changed. Put George Bush on the left next to 2000, and put a photo of President Obama on the right on 2010. And they said, that will seriously offend all the Dreamforce attendees. So, because I actually can get very little done as CEO, just as an FYI, they put this guy on the left. I don't even know who it is. And on the right, all I got was President Obama's right hand touching the iPad. But the point is the same. The point is the same, that the world has changed. The world is changing. The world is constantly changing, and that's why we're at Dreamforce. That's why we're here, and that's why Salesforce.com is constantly changing too. You're going to find here at this conference that we've rewritten our architecture once again to make the changes that you're asking for in how we build and deliver our platform, our clouds. You're going to see us focus on 6 clouds, each a huge part of our industry. The Sales Cloud, the Service Cloud, Chatter, Jigsaw, our Data Cloud, our new Force.com platform. We're going to show you some amazing things, especially tomorrow with that. We're going to show you a whole new version of Force.com tomorrow and some major changes with Force.com that we're going to announce tomorrow. You can see some of them on the screen. And a brand new cloud we're going to talk about today, Database.com. And all of you are going to get your hands on that here at the conference. And then at the Force.com layer, what we keep hearing from you is, open it up. Don't make it so proprietary. Open it up. Let us use industry languages. Let us use what we already know. So at the Force.com layer, we broke it off from the database layer. And at the Force.com layer, we created a new product called AppForce that you're going to hear about tomorrow to build apps. And a new product called SiteForce to build websites. And we partnered with VMware to put Java inside our platform because we know that you want Java and open languages inside our platform, and we created VMforce. And so many ISVs, it's amazing how many ISVs are building natively on our platform and selling them to our customers because it's so easy for them to manage them and move it forward that we've created ISV Force, which you're going to see and we previewed yesterday at CloudStock. And we have a new focus on 100% open to include all the major languages and all the major platforms. And this application development and deployment environment, Force.com, is then complemented by a world-class database offering in the cloud, Database.com. And they're separated so that you can use Database.com from any device, from any language, from any IDE, from any development environment. We're going to show that to you in a few minutes.